Hello, my people. I don't come again. Is your Ogbonge sister AB Media. What they bring Ogbonge story they call my people. I don't carry another matter. See they happen as they be. They carry the kung fu now. Now so this our hope also them said. All this our Igwe chief. All this our Igwe. All of them in Imo State to say if you can't do meeting, can't tell them say all of them if they no conscience their children, their son or anybody that is receives their certificate. Hey, my people, no be small wahalas they happen. No, now so in do meeting, emergency meeting, call all of them, all the Igwes in Imo State, all their Imo State chiefs. He tell them that if they wait for them, if they no conscience their children, that is going to collect their certificates one by one for them. Hey, wahala, all those chief, all the chief, all of them, chief, all of them. Na so he tell them, he saw all the chief, if una no conscience una children or una son, I'm going to seize una certificate. My people, not a person no go see you for this all this our wahala. So wetin concern the king, wetin concern all those igwe, wetin concern all those chief, wetin concern them with the things wey dey happen. Everybody dey do im own thing. So na their papa or na the king na im go tell them make dem go do something. Or I no understand this man, this Hope Uzodinma. I don't know what is wrong with this man. No, I don't know what is wrong with this man. Some people, they don't even need to call a governor. They don't need to call a governor. Can you imagine? He say he will collect their certificate if they not conscious their children. What is the meaning of the chief or this thing? And the worst part wey be say all those our chief and all those our king, they no get sense. Do you know why I say they no get sense? So in call una as the state, he call una as in call una no get mouth to speak. Everybody will talk his mind. Na so una go dey there, una go dey when you no go talk. Look at the evil faces. Look at them. They as in tell una say in go collect una certificate. Una no go talk say wetin how go take know people wey dey do am. We no know. Una no go stay for una house and know what is happening outside. Say if they no conscious their children, say you go collect all their certificates one by one. He's going to collect it, all of them. And you will be hope where they talk like this. You no know I be people where they do themselves now your own fellow friends now they do them. Your own friends wey say you and then get some wahala. If you be saying that then they do them, if they call Biafra people, what is wrong with them? I don't know what is wrong with all this our chief self. They don't chop money, bribe them. They no fit talk again. What is happening? It's getting out of hand. We have to be serious about this issue because Biafra, we are going to have our Biafra because I don't know where they are bringing all those their governors. Look at their faces, then just bring them from nowhere, then come and been doing a lot of things in our land. I don't think they are Igbo people. They are not Biafra. Because if you are a Biafra, you behave like a Biafra. And if you are a leader and you claim you are a leader, you behave as a leader with get sense. Leader with they intelligent. People are doing you something. You think that any small thing you will say na Biafran people, na the Biafran soldiers, or na Biafran this one, na they do it this one. And we be say no be even if you no be say that even the innocent people just they go they kill innocent people. You have to take your time. You have to be very careful for the things you do. And you feel that you don't have son, you don't have children. Where are you killing people, innocent people like that? If they kill you the time when you are young, can you stand and sit in that chair you there? There are some things where we say our African people they do where we say my head go they catch fire. Look at their faces. You're selling your people one by one. Selling your people because of money, selling your people because of the money they are giving you people. You're selling your people one never. Forget say about tomorrow. And as a leader, Look at how can you take the chief or all those chiefs that I will collect your certificate all of now one by one if you don't caution your children in this Imo state. What do you mean by that? If you and someone get wahala, you and somebody get wahala, don't use it and face another innocent people. Don't use it and face another innocent people. You don't have to tell them like that. And this our chief and all of them, una just sit down there and you don't want to say anything. As in just talk, una still get good jam. All of us are supposed to talk. Say, how can you say like that? So can we stay our house and know what is happening outside? What is happening in this country where they call Zoom? What is happening? This thing that is happening in Igbo land is getting out of hand. We need attention for all over the world to see what is happening there. Because this thing is taking another hand though. It's entering another side though. Because I don't understand though. How can you be using your own people? How can you be killing your own people? You sell us because they give you money. You sell us because they give you a lot of things. You're selling us and you do us bad. You don't care about people. You don't care about people exist because he gets power there. You think you're on top. Forget tomorrow. Life is not like that. If you're a leader, you have to learn how to take care of everyone. Look at their faces. You're talking to your people like the way they are not human being or what. So they will stay there as their chief. They will stay in their house and be monitored their young men to know where they are going. What is their business? So if you are going out and anywhere or you're living in another place, every time your daddy will be calling you, where are you? Or this. So you cannot go out. I bet if una they do something more than they check this if they do something, make it they check this governor of Imo State, all of una wey dey there will be wicked governors wey dey for Imo State, Anambra, Enugu, all of una Abia. Una dey use una brain because una brain no dey work at all. Una brain too dumb. Una no dey behave as a man. Una no dey behave as a leader. Can you imagine? You just someone meeting and you are accusing them, I will collect your certificate. If you collect their certificate, it means that waiting, everything go finish. Collect certificate now. Certificate na this an achievement. If you me there for this chief for all those things, if you tell me to collect the certificate, I will tell you to collect the certificate. Certificate no mean anything. Collect them. You no comot anything for my body. Unless you know get another thing one that they gain for that certificate one that they carry up and down. Make collect them. Why people are so wicked? Innocent of blood will not they share every day and night. Una know they get conscience. You don't care about people. Look as comot him own for there. You now he carry you enter. As he enter self, now you can be the worstest one self wey can enter. What is you people problem? Look at their faces. What is you people problem? God, if they do something, more they remember say na God na make una die alive. If God say go just comot you overnight, go comot you overnight, nobody go see you again. No be say if una do that on top, una go feel say life na sugar and honey. Una go forget people that you people are people wey vote you people there. Even though they use wuru still put you inside that seat where you dey for Imo State, you still no one even show small, even though na small kindness and small love for your people. You know, still one show. Then now if they use opportunity, anger, it is in our power. If they use and they do everything, gara. Your time is coming. I promise you. All the innocent people you people are killing in Imo State, killing in Anambra, killing in Ebonyi State, killing in Enugu. Your time is coming. Stop killing innocent people. They are human being. Subscribe to this channel. Is your Wenge sister. AB Media where they will bring better story they come. I bet my people, this thing is getting out of hand. We have to be very careful for the things because these things where they happen now. I'm not happy at all. Because look at innocent blood they are sharing every time, which is very, very wrong. They don't have to do like that to our people. If you want to follow Hausa people, follow them. Don't touch our people. Don't touch Biafran people.